the second question. When you are asked to install ArgoCD using Helm, while the CRDs are not installed, CRD should not be installed because CRD is already installed by them. So the requirement is add ArgoCD repository with name Argo, generate Helm template for ArgoCD chart version 7.7.3 from ArgoCD NS. Namespace ArgoCD will be there already. So ensure ArgoCD is not installed by configuring the chart accordingly. Ensure ArgoCD is not installed. It should be installed. Let's go ahead and solve the question. For solving the question, same cluster I went into. You need just like before. You need to switch the context and get into the particular context of the question, and then you have to solve the question. Let's see if ArgoCD namespace is there, and do we have anything in the ArgoCD namespace? Don't have anything in the ArgoCD namespace. Let's go ahead and solve the questions. So they will provide the official repository of Helm. This is the official repository of Helm. They'll provide in the question itself. Just don't you need to add Helm repository using Helm repo add Argo. What was the name? Argo, right? They was just to use Argo name, right? Argo name. So same Argo name I've used, and then I'll add it. Let's see. So now Helm repo list. Let's do Helm repo list. If that repo got added or not. That repo got added, right? ArgoCD Helm. So once that is added, let's check the version. Particular version they are asking, right? Particular version you need to install 10.7.3. So let's get the version. So Helm search repo ArgoCD ArgoCD version 7.3. Not found. Okay. There was some command issue. I suppose I use some other command. I suppose same command. Helm repo ArgoCD repos Helm search repo ArgoCD version. So it is there, right? So that version is there. We need to install this version 7.7.3. So to install 7.7.3, this is the command. You be careful with the command, because sometimes what happens is Helm template, and also give the namespace, because if you don't give namespace in the file which you will be saving, namespace will not be there. So it becomes difficult. So it will be counted as error. ArgoCD ArgoCD version 7.7.3. So this is important. Set crds install equal to false. This flag is important, because if they said we don't need to install crds, right? This flag is very important. And in namespace, right? In namespace also we need to provide the namespace also. Provide namespace also. For that, -n ArgoCD. That's a namespace, right? We need to save it into a file. So we need to save it into home. They provide the file name. What file we need to save? They will provide the file name also. We need to, obviously they'll give ArgoCD .yaml file name. Just saying unexpected argument. Okay, it is there was no space between CRDs and set CRDs and ArgoCD, right? Namespace. Once this is done, let's check that got saved. cat and see. is there, right? So let's apply that file. That all the resources will get created. Let's check ArgoCD namespace. You don't have to bother about resource getting created. It will get created anyway. So it just we have solved the question. This is how you solve second question. So in that, they'll provide the repository of ArgoCD, and then you need to deploy it using Helm by skipping the CRDs. So this is the requirement. So we have solved the second question also. Let's move to the third question.